Spotify got tired of AI music everywhere, but now the platform is taking a big step to fix that. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Spotify's rolled out Artist Profile Protection, a new system that puts artists in control over what new music appears under their name. This feature lets the artists review music releases before they're uploaded to Spotify, so AI can't impersonate them, ensuring that only legitimate music goes out. Spotify acknowledged that AI music has gained benefits and is often found under artist names, and said that's not how they want to treat artists on Spotify, and that's why they're making protecting artist identity a top priority for 2026. Though Spotify has told subscribers and artists to flag AI-generated music by reporting it, this is the first time where it's giving artists control to prevent AI fraud and avoid common mix-ups. If a musician enables artist profile protection in the Spotify for Artists settings, they'll receive an email notification when music is sent to Spotify in their name. This is when they can review music and choose whether to approve or decline its release. If an artist approves, it'll be uploaded as normal, but if they decline or no action is taken, it won't appear on your profile, but it still might go live on other platforms besides Spotify. Spotify will even give artists an artist key, which is a unique code musicians can share with trusted music distributors. So when music is delivered to Spotify with the artist key attached, the release will automatically be approved. Until now, fraudsters made AI-generated music impersonating bigger artists and steal royalties through streams. But now, Spotify is tightening the screw of that revenue channel entirely. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.